Today's story comes from the Bible, Mark chapter 3. Jesus entered the synagogue on the Sabbath day. There was a man there with a withered hand. His hand was weak and could not move well. People watched Jesus closely. They wanted to see if he would heal on the Sabbath. Jesus knew their thoughts. Jesus called the man forward. He said to the man, "Stand up here." Then Jesus asked the people, "Is it right to do good or to do harm?" Jesus looked at them with sadness and anger. He cared more about people than rules. Jesus said to the man, "Stretch out your hand." The man obeyed. As he stretched out his hand, it was healed completely. His hand was restored. This story teaches us something important. Jesus sees what is broken in our lives. He is not afraid to bring healing. Even when others judge or watch closely, Jesus chooses love. If you feel weak today, if something in your life feels damaged or lost, Jesus can restore it. God still heals. God still restores what was lost. If this story encouraged you, please like and subscribe for more Bible stories and weekly encouragement.